Ever wished your computers could talk to each other? Today they're going to. First things first, grab your LAN cable. Plug one end into your first computer's Ethernet port and the other end into the second computer. Like magic, they're physically connected. Now, let's assign them some VIP addresses. On each computer, hit up the network settings. Look for network connections or network and sharing center. Find that Ethernet adapter and dive into its properties. Choose Internet Protocol version 4 and set a unique static IP for each. Think of it as giving them their own secret handshake. Time to enable file sharing. Head back to the network and sharing center and crank up file and printer sharing. Flick those switches for network discovery and public folder sharing. Finally, let's share a folder. Right-click your chosen folder, tap Properties, hit Share, and invite everyone. Set it to read-write, click Share, and boom, done. On the second computer, navigate to Network and voila. Double-click the shared folder and celebrate your tech triumph. You're officially a LAN legend.